Just got our Lovevery box in the mail today, and as you can see, Baby Law's super excited to go in it. This is the 9 and 10 month, the Explorer stage. So I'm gonna open it with you and let you see what's inside. Ready? Yay! All right, so every kit will come with this. This is, well, it helps if I put it upside right down, or right side up. This is it's just a guide, basically, to let you know what is in it. And as you can see, my camera skills are not the best today. So yeah, this is what's inside the box this time. And so How I Feel is gonna be a book. And Opposites, another book. These are for me to sort of get an understanding as to how best to help him. And as you can see, it also comes with some coupons. And when he turns 9 and 10 months, I have some stickers that I could put on his little chest and take pictures of him. And you know, with every one you get a card, and just you really what's awesome is that it's teaching you how to play with your children in a way that teaches them. And so then in turn everybody learns. So we have, look what looks like here, some blocks. And we have some rings here. Here are what look like, oh, they're called little grip canisters. Again, looking at the guide here. And as you can see, Law has already taken to a ring. We love rings. And then we have, he goes to a monastery currently. So what's awesome is that he gets to learn with a lot of the toys that he's already used to. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, this cone goes, so this is what, well, where are you going, Law? Where are you going? I understand you're trying to learn how to walk, but you gotta take it easy there, fella. So this canister has the rings that go around it. Here, let me see, please, sir. Thank you. And I'm trying to actually figure out how to do this, and my son is doing a really good job of making sure that I can't. So, actually, sorry. So, and then this. Look, Law. Look, Law. Look. So basically, it's just a clear tube that you can stack things with, right? So you can stack these with. It's just a clear tube, and you can take that in and out. And then also it has that ball that has the shaker in it. And then, since Law accidentally knocked over our little box here, so we have what looks like some little bean bags. And it's called a peekaboo blanket and a zipper pouch. So we have a peekaboo blanket and a zipper pouch. And then we have shape bean bags. So lots of fun, lots of ways to be able to explore colors and nice bright colors. And we have all kinds of like fun shapes that he gets to learn with this month. And so this again is the box for the 9 and 10 month. I'll be honest with you, I don't know who plays with these toys more, him or the cat. The cat really enjoys the fact that we get balls like this that roll all over the house. So it'll be a fight later on. Just wanted to show you how awesome Lovevery is. Remember, this place is super inexpensive. I did a full 3 months, or 3 boxes. So I got the 7 and 8, 9 and 10, and 11 and 12 for a total of, I believe it was like $233. So please look into it. It is the least expensive Montessori box club, so to speak, that there is. And if you find something cheaper, let me know. All right, bye.